Be proud of yourself. Kasi kahit walang nakakakita ng tikat na dinadala mo araw-araw, kahit walang nakakaalam ng mga silent battles mo, you still wake up. You still show up. You still try your best. And that's not weakness. That's strength. Hindi biro yung mga oras na gusto mo na lang sumuko, pero pinipili mong lumaban. Hindi biro yung mga gabi na umiiyak ka ng walang nakakakita, pero kinabukasan, dalang pa rin yung ngiti mo. And that's courage. That's resilience. Kaya please, huwag mong maliitin yung sarili mo ha. Every small step, every breath, every time you choose to rise, kahit feeling mo wasak ka na sa loob, victory yun. Testimony yun. At kung walang nagsasabi nito sa'yo ngayon, ako na. I'm so proud of you for all the little wins you thought were invisible. For all the times you